Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about two major parameter passing methods, call by value and call by reference. First, let us discuss about call by value method. So consider this simple C program. We have the main function and a user-defined function set. And as we know, program execution begins from the main function. So in main, first we have an integer variable declaration for a. Suppose it is created at address 1024 and assigning the value 10 to it. Next we have a print statement which prints before calling function a equal to and prints the value of a, which is 10. Next we are calling function set by passing a. So control goes to function definition and there we have the parameter int a. So another local integer variable a is created and the value we passed, which is 10, will be stored in it. And suppose it is created at address 2024. Now this is very important that both these variables are entirely different. They have the same name but they are different. This new a created is having scope within function set and the a at address 1024 has scope within main function. Now we set a equal to 0. So the a at address 2024 will be accessed and set to 0. And it has no effect on variable a of the main function. Now we print in set function a equal to and print the value of a, which is 0. Now we return to main function and we have a print statement which prints after calling function a equal to and prints the value of a, which is 10 again. Because the modification made has no effect on this a. So this is call by value parameter passing method. If we use call by value, then any change made in the called function will not reflect in the calling function. Now, let us discuss about call by reference parameter passing method. Again, let us explain the method using a program. So here also we have the main function and user-defined function set. So execution begins from main and first statement is declaring a and initializing it to 10. Suppose it was created at address 1024. Now we print the value of a before calling the function. So 10 will be printed. Now we are calling the function set by passing the address of a. That is 1024 will be passed, which is a reference to the actual location of a. Now control goes to function set and there we have the parameter int star a, that is an integer pointer. So a local integer pointer is created at address 2024 and will have the value 1024. Now we have star a equal to 0, that is value at a, that is value at 1024 is set to 0. So we go to this address 1024 and set the value to 0. Now we print star a or the value of a in function set, which is 0. Now we return to main function and print the value of a there. Again we will get 0 there because the function set had the address of this a and it directly came here and made the modification. So if we pass the parameter by reference, any change made in the called function will be reflected in the calling function also. Now let us take an interesting example to differentiate these two methods. So we have two functions, function 1 and function 2. And we have a juice bottle in function 1. Now in call by value, we only pass a copy of this bottle to function 2. So any change made to this copy in function will not reflect in bottle in function 1. But in call by reference, we are passing a reference and giving access to the original bottle. So any change made to the bottle will be reflected in function 1 also. So that's all and thank you for watching this video.